Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced XR glasses of 2025, the Viture Luma Ultra. These smart glasses are designed to replace your TV, your monitor, and even your gaming screen, all in something that fits right into your pocket. From its display quality and comfort to gaming performance and productivity features, this is the complete breakdown of the Viture Luma Ultra. Let's start with the design. The Viture Luma Ultra keeps a sleek and modern look. But what stands out most is the ultra-lightweight build. These glasses are extremely comfortable for long sessions, whether you're watching movies, working, or gaming. The nose pads and temples are redesigned for better stability, so the glasses stay perfectly in place without pressure on your face. That's something many competitors still fail at. Now let's talk display. The Luma Ultra has a micro-OLED display with sharper contrast, deeper blacks, and excellent brightness. The colors look incredibly vivid, making movies and games feel more cinematic. You get a virtual screen size of up to 135 inches right in front of your eyes. Bright, sharp, and crystal clear. This thing genuinely feels like having your own private theater for gamers. The Luma Ultra is an absolute powerhouse. It supports 1080p resolution, low latency, and works with Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, PlayStation, Xbox, and even your smartphone. Whether you're playing open-world games or fast-action shooters, the smoothness and screen size make it a whole new experience. Portable gaming has never felt this immersive. Where these glasses truly shine is productivity. With the Viture app, you can open multiple virtual screens, browse, watch, edit, and work all at the same time. It turns any space into your office, a coffee shop, your room, or even a flight. Everything becomes your personal workstation. Viture has upgraded the audio too. The Ultra model features open-ear speakers with improved bass and clearer dialogue. Even at low volumes, the sound feels rich and balanced. You can watch movies without disturbing people around you and still enjoy an immersive soundstage. Battery is another big highlight. Viture Luma Ultra is optimized for long sessions, giving you hours of movie, watching and gaming without overheating or draining too fast. And since the device uses low-power micro-OLED technology, it stays cool and comfortable. The glasses work with Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone with adapter, Switch, Steam Deck, and most consoles. This versatility makes them perfect for gaming, work, entertainment, and travel. No matter what device you own, the Luma Ultra almost always supports it, considering the technology. You're getting a theater-sized display, premium build, and high-end optics. The Viture Luma Ultra is priced very competitively compared to other XR glasses. It offers one of the best price-to-performance ratios in the entire XR glasses market. The Luma Ultra gives you a large virtual screen right in front of your eyes, with stunning colors, deep contrast, and sharp details. It feels like watching a cinema-sized display anywhere you go. 2. Lightweight and comfortable. It's slim. Lightweight design makes it easy to wear for long hours without pressure or discomfort. Perfect for travel, work, and entertainment. 3. Privacy mode. Everything you see is visible only to you. No one around you can see your screen, making it ideal for private work or watching content in public. 4. Immersive gaming experience. You get a massive virtual display, low latency performance, and compatibility with consoles and handheld devices. It feels like you're inside the game. 5. Multi-device compatibility. The Luma Ultra works with smartphones, laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, and even the Steam Deck. One pair of glasses replaces multiple screens. 6. Long battery life with neckband. The power neckband ensures longer usage, stable performance, and keeps the glasses lightweight by moving the battery away from your face. 7. Productivity on the go. You can work on a huge virtual monitor anywhere on a plane, in a cafe, or while traveling. No laptop screen limitation. Enjoy Netflix, YouTube, and any streaming service on a big virtual screen without needing a TV or projector. 2. Gaming. Connected to PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, PC, or handheld gaming consoles to enjoy immersive gameplay with a huge AR display. 3. Work and productivity. Create a portable workstation using a virtual display, perfect for coding, editing, presentations, or multitasking. 4. VR-style experiences. Even without a bulky headset, you can access lightweight AR, VR-style visuals for simulations, 3D content, and future AR apps. 5. Travel and outdoor use. Ideal for flights, road trips, or vacations. No need to carry large screens. Your entertainment stays in your pocket. 6. Fitness and training. Watch tutorials, workouts, and training videos hands-free while exercising.